Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of canceling your Disney Plus subscription. Whether you're looking to take a break or just want to explore other streaming options, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Sign into your account. The first step in the cancellation process is to sign into your Disney Plus account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Disney Plus website. Click on the Login button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once you are logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find subscription details. In your account settings, scroll down to the subscription section. Here, you will see details about your current subscription plan, including the next billing date and payment method. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Within the subscription section, look for the Cancel Subscription option. Click on it to start the cancellation process. You may be prompted with a message confirming your desire to cancel. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After you have followed the prompts, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Make sure to read any additional information regarding the cancellation, including when your access to the service will end. Step 6. Check your email. Finally, check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Disney Plus. This email serves as a record of your cancellation and confirms that you will not be billed for the upcoming month. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide has made the process of canceling your Disney Plus subscription clear and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content.